What's up guys, I'm 𝔸𝕤𝕠𝕠. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine using my Dyson Airwrap. You guys requested to see that, so if you want to see how I use my Dyson, please keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed and this is what it looks like. I do have like heat damage in the front from like sew-ins, but so to start off we're going to put some heat protectant. The one I'm using is by Drybar. It's not like one of my favorite, but the one that I usually use, I can't find it, so we're going to be using this one. And then we're going to use some BioSilk. I can't straighten my hair without BioSilk. Okay, so now we're going to section it off. Split this in half. And now I'm going to brush it through with my 𝔸𝕤𝕒𝕠𝕪 brush just to make sure all the products is evenly distributed. Okay, so today we're going to be using my Dyson Airwrap and we're going to be using this smoothing brush. I'm going to section it off one more time. And I have the Dyson on all the highest settings. Like, you definitely don't have to do that, but I want to blow dry it really fast. Okay, so this section is done. And that's kind of like what makes the Dyson special. It makes drying your hair so much faster and easier with the attachment. So this is one half done. So you see how well it blew out my hair. Let me show you before. Okay, so now that this side is done, we're going to start working on this side, and I'm going to just speed through that because it's the exact same process. By the way, all of the claw clips I'm using today is by my brand Sephora. I'll leave the link in the discount code down below. So here is what my hair looks like blown out using my Dyson. I'm sure some of my roots are still a little damp, so I'm going to go through and make sure. But I'm going to change the attachment. I've never used like this attachment, so today's the first day. Okay, now it's all dry. The way my camera is set up, it records in like 25-minute increments and it hasn't cut off on me yet, so that means it took me less than 25 minutes to blow dry my whole head. So now I'm going to flat iron my hair. I have a whole dedicated silk press video, and my technique is exactly the same. I haven't changed it. If you want a more in-depth video of how I straighten my hair, I'm going to leave the video up in the cards, but for the rest of the video I'm just going to speed through flat ironing my hair. Okay, so my hair is flat ironed. This is what it's looking like. Really silky and flowy. Okay guys, that wraps up today's video. I will be doing a part 2 applying my clip-ins, and I will be using the Airwrap to curl them. So if you guys would like to see that, that will be my next hair video. So if you enjoy videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.